Hey everyone, this is Linnea Lucan with the Heartland Institute, here with another climate fact check. In this video, we're looking at major ocean currents and whether or not climate change is going to cause them to slow down, sparking a chain of catastrophes for Earth's climate. What do I mean by ocean currents? Here, I'm talking about what's called the ocean conveyor belt, or deep ocean circulation around the globe that is constantly moving, likely driven by a combination of temperature differences and surface winds between the poles and the equator, and the salinity, or difference in salt content of different parts of the ocean. Colder and saltier water is denser, and it sinks, while warm water stays closer to the surface. When water is cooled in the Atlantic-Arctic regions, it sinks, and that motion pulls the warmer water from the regions around the equator towards the Arctic, and the process continues, mixing the water. When water is cooled in the Atlantic-Arctic regions, it sinks, and that motion pulls the warmer water from the regions around the equator towards the Arctic, and the process continues, mixing the waters. This conveyor belt of water connects all oceans and is an ongoing process. There are frightening claims that climate change is or will soon cause the ocean currents to slow down, and that it would have massive impacts on marine life, maybe spark a new mini ice age, alter rainfall patterns in Asia and Africa, and even cause more hurricanes and other natural disasters. Basically, apocalyptic. But we now have a few decades of satellite data in hand and recent real-world measurements, not simply computer models predicting the future. The new data suggests ocean currents have actually sped up by a small amount over the last 20 years, not slowed down. Now, of course, some scientists are claiming that the speeding up of ocean currents will also carry all kinds of disasters, but these warnings fall kind of flat in the face of the earlier claims, and it appears that ocean current speeds probably wax and wane naturally, indicating that maybe the mechanisms driving ocean currents are more complex than we currently understand. Regardless, 20 years of modestly sped up ocean currents has not launched the planet into cataclysm, and it's not likely to do so. That's all I have for this fact check. For the sources used as reference for this video, you can check out climateataglance.com, where you can also download a free copy of the book Climate at a Glance for teachers and students. If you prefer paper, you can purchase a hard copy on Amazon. We also have an app available called Climate at a Glance for Android and iPhone. Thanks for watching.